हेलो, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। द व्लॉग इज़ बैक। यहाँ पर करवा चौथ की तैयारियाँ चल रही हैं। दिस करवा चौथ वॉज एक्चुअली वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी एक्साइटिंग. सो ऑल द प्रेप्स आर गोइंग ऑन. द मेहंदी इज़ डन एंड इस बार की मेरी मेहंदी काफ़ी बढ़िया रची थी. एंड दिस करवा चौथ वॉज रियली स्पेशल. इट वॉज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल सेलिब्रेशन एंड दिस इज़ मी. मैंने हलवा बनाने की कोशिश करी थी जो सरप्राइजिंगली बहुत अच्छा बना था. सो या वी आर रेडी. लेट द केसी सेलिब्रेशंस बिगिन. यहाँ पे मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मेरा हस्बैंड तो लॉयर है, तो हम इस बात का फ़ायदा उठाते हैं, इनसे कुछ सवाल पूछते हैं.
Okay.
Arun, do you think alimony is right?
Like from a morality standpoint or a legal standpoint?
दोनों बताओ. What do you think? As a lawyer and as like your views on alimony. This is such a wrong question to ask on Karwa Chauth, but like still, I just want to know.
Legally, it exists in most jurisdictions in the world. Some form of alimony exists. It doesn't exist in a lot of places where there are, they're governed by personal laws, like religious personal laws. But even there is a concept of, maintaining the wife. From a morality standpoint, in a country like India, for example, we are an underdeveloped country. There was a huge gender bias for women getting hired for a very long period of time. So the point of alimony, and I think it exists still, is that especially in rural areas or, tier 3, tier 4 cities, is that women don't have enough opportunities, and if a husband was to leave them today, they would be left without any source of livelihood or how to sustain themselves. Absolutely. Like I think the flip form is weird, where a woman is earning very well for herself. She's able to sustain herself, but there is some compensation that the husband is supposed to give to the woman just because it exists. I think that is strange. But it's a very small portion of the population that applies to. The larger population, absolutely. I think India needs this for a very long period of time.
So Varun, हमने तो अपनी शादी रजिस्टर करवाई नहीं है. So are we legally married?
We are legally married because हमने Hindu Marriage Act के under, we did all the rites. अग्नि के सामने हम लोगों ने शादी करी है. So that is enough proof under the Hindu Marriage Act.
Personally, as you, what do you think is the right age for women and men should get married?
Not in their early 20s, definitely.
तो क्या सही होनी चाहिए?
Anytime,
इस एज की बात करें.
मतलब I think don't get married in your early 20s simply because you should work for a period of time to actually understand how the world works, how money works, etc. Even if you're in a long-term relationship, actually go through that phase. After late 20s, no end. I mean, you should get married at 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, or not get married.
कब्र से भी निकल के शादी कर लीजिए.
नहीं, Love in the Time of Cholera पढ़ो, उसमें वो 60s में शादी करते हैं. इतनी खूबसूरत कहानी है वो.
Should couples have a joint account only, or should couples have separate bank accounts after getting married?
Separate accounts. I think you should have a joint account for things that you're planning, for example, a vacation, etc. But definitely separate accounts, because I think having autonomy in spending money अपने खर्चे करने के लिए वो बहुत जरूरी होता है. और रेगुलर कमेंट बाजी करोगे उस पे, it's not good for marriage.
Do you think women who are not working after marriage should have their own bank accounts?
They should have their own bank accounts, and they should, if your marriage allows for that kind of monetary freedom, you should take you should transfer some money in your wife's account so that she has autonomy.
Every
I
month.
think financial autonomy is very important in a marriage.
तो जैसे अगर कोई
And of course this brings me to the larger point that everybody should work always.
And जैसे अगर कोई हाउस वाइफ है तो उनको भी they should also take money from their husbands every month.
जो भी आपकी फाइनेंशियल कैपेसिटी है उस प्रोपोर्शन में आपको जरूर लेना चाहिए. फाइनेंशियल ऑटोनॉमी strengthens a marriage.
इंटरेस्टिंग. जैसे तुम एक कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर हो, तो कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर और एक लिटिगेशन लॉयर में क्या डिफरेंस है? क्या है कॉर्पोरेट लॉ?
हम काला कोट नहीं पहनते, हम कोर्ट कम जाते हैं और इन मेनी केसेस नहीं जाते हैं. वी आर मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ट्रांजैक्शंस हैपनिंग. जो बिजनेस रिलेटेड साइड होती है लॉ की, हम, अगर मैं सीधे शब्दों में बोलूं तो उसको हैंडल करते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो आपका पैसा आना, पैसा जाना, and various forms of that money is what we are more involved in.
Okay.
And high transactional values, dispute natures भी बहुत high होते हैं. There is also something called commercial litigation, जिसमें आप commercial laws related जो आपकी कोर्ट कचहरी की वकालत होती है वो करते हैं.
Commercial litigation का एग्जाम्पल दो.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक डिस्प्यूट आता है, आई मीन ऑल्दो ये थोड़ा इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स रिलेटेड भी है, बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक डिस्प्यूट आता है कि क्रॉस बॉर्डर जीएसटी एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ सर्विसेज में लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा. सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स के कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में क्रॉस बॉर्डर जीएसटी कौन सी पार्टी पे करेगी, इस पे डिस्प्यूट कमर्शियल लिटिगेशन होगा. तुलसी की माला
तैयार हो गए, कथा सुन ली, पूजा कर ली, और उसके बाद हमारी कहानी में एक ट्विस्ट आ गया. एवरी प्लेस दैट वी वेंट टू फॉर डिनर वॉज जस्ट अ मैसिव फेल. एंड फॉर सम रीज़न हमने काफ़ी रेस्टोरेंट्स हॉप करे और उसके बाद वी एंडेड अप हैविंग द वर्स्ट फूड एवरीवेयर. हमें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है. एंड वी हैड मेड टेबल बुकिंग्स बट हमें कहीं खाना नहीं मिला, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. एंड देन वी एंडेड द night on a high note. We had some hot chocolate. So tired but so happy. After going to 2 failed restaurants in GK, I'm not going to mention their names, but काफ़ी disappoint करा. Then we had some delicious food, and now we are back. So we are celebrating second KC. Would you recommend marriage to people who are thinking about it?
हाँ, absolutely. शादी करनी चाहिए. Shadi is the right institution. I recently saw some video on how open marriages are the future and all of that, and I completely disagree. I think we are hardwired to be with one person, consolidate them, have them, feel like this is you and this person, and that, it's you against life's challenges. So a partner, I personally feel a partner is more important than a child also. So yeah, definitely all in for marriage.
So हमने बहुत corporate law देखा है Suits में. Is it like what Suits shows? The show?
Corporate law in India?
हाँ.
Suits में ऐसे scenes होते हैं where Harvey would give a 5,000 page document to Mike and say, I need this by morning. And then the scene cuts and then it's morning and Mike's like, वो उठता है, उसके बाल रफल्ड हैं, वो कहता है ये 4 चीजें मुझे मिली हैं डॉक्यूमेंट में. रियल लाइफ में ना वो कट नहीं होता सीन एंड वो 5,000 पेज का डॉक्यूमेंट एक्चुअली बैठ के पढ़ना पड़ता है. एंड द मोस्ट सैड पार्ट अबाउट रियल लाइफ इज एट नो पॉइंट डू यू गेट टू थ्रो डॉक्यूमेंट, जैसे उस शो में करते हैं ना कि आई फाउंड दिस, आई फाउंड दैट, आपको जाके रखना पड़ता है. दैट्स अ बिग डिफरेंस.
Ask you a few more questions. Okay. Should men take alimony?
Yes, if they've sacrificed their career for their partner, then I think it's fair.
Okay, as a lawyer, what are 3 tips that you would give men before getting married?
As a lawyer?
As a lawyer.
I can only give as a man. Know your partner for at least 2 years before getting married.
ठीक है.
This is not 1900s. Age gap is a thing. Figure out somebody in your own age range, because these things will matter later. From a legal standpoint, this is some niche advice, not very commonly discussed in the media, but don't take dowry and don't hate your wife. This is good advice.
No, but seriously, one legal advice that you would give men.
Think about custody of the child before getting divorced.
What?
Like, think about this before you get divorced. Who's going to end up with the child?
And one more advice for men.
Oof. Does it have to be legal?
Yeah, legal. कुछ legal बताए.
I think your wife, and this is just a personal preference, but she should preferably be above 18. Can you get that? I don't know as a lawyer, but as a man, have a career. Not for money,
so
not
to
for...
the women.
Yeah, this is for women. It's important to have a career. It's important to have a path that gives you value, that, justifies your existence outside your marriage.
Okay.
So I think definitely have a career. And secondly, I guess don't lose yourself. Don't lose yourself in the pursuit of being perfect for your partner, in being acceptable to your partner.
Okay, that's good advice. Okay, last question, and then I'll let you be. What is the advice that you will give to kids wanting to pursue a career in corporate law?
In corporate law, I would say people have this tendency, and it makes sense, to intern in the same practice area बार बार ताकि उनको जॉब मिल जाए. पर उससे जरूरी है कि आप 4-5 प्रैक्टिस एरियाज में इंटर्न करो, लैंडस्केप को समझो, एंड देन यू आर एबल टू इफेक्टिवली से कि भाई मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है. बिकॉज बहुत बच्चे फर्स्ट ईयर में आके कोई प्रैक्टिस ज्वाइन करते हैं और कहते हैं ये है क्या, क्योंकि उन्हें आइडिया ही नहीं होता है कि यार ये तो बहुत अजीब है.
So like a multitude of
हाँ,
experiences.
like try your hand during college. College जैसा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा दोबारा रिस्क लेने का. Don't try to play it safe in college.
Thank you for watching our Karwa Chauth vlog. काफ़ी rapid fire questions हो गए. If you have more questions, I'd be happy to ask him and bug him. But we ended up having a great breakfast and we were serenaded by this wonderful Basuri player. And I hope you all had a great time. Festivals greetings to everyone. Thank you for watching.